swirling nebula of blue and purple light splashes across the ceiling of a perfectly curated gaming room. The marketing for the Glowjovial Galaxy Projector sells a dream of ultimate relaxation. It promises an instant bedroom upgrade with premium lighting effects that basically turn your ceiling into deep space. And honestly, it looks incredible. The pitch is incredibly convincing. They boast about thousands of happy buyers. They flash an unbeatable price tag right on the screen. It feels like one of those impulse buys you just have to make right now. But hold on a second. Before you click that shiny checkout button, we need to take a serious look at what is actually going on behind the curtain. I took a hard look at the publicly available data for this device. The deeper I dug into the trust signals, the more red flags started popping up. Let us start with the product itself. The presentation screams premium and exclusive. Yet, when you compare the actual unit to other devices on the market, the illusion starts to crack. It bears a striking resemblance to countless generic star projectors floating around the internet under dozens of different brand names. This is not exactly a revolutionary piece of tech built from the ground up. It is a standard e-commerce play. But the real issue is not just the hardware. It is the reputation surrounding the storefront. The company website proudly displays over 8,000 glowing 5-star reviews. 8,000. That is a massive number for a niche lighting gadget. You would expect a product with that much hype to have a massive footprint across the web. People should be talking about it on forums, posting video reviews, and raving about it on independent platforms. Yet, a quick search on Trustpilot turns up absolutely zero customer reviews. Nothing. Crickets. That kind of massive discrepancy between a company's internal claims and independent third-party verification is a huge warning sign. Automated trust analysis paints an even bleaker picture. This specific storefront pulls a dismal trust score of just 18 out of 100. That is painfully low. The analysis also flagged multiple blacklist detections and noted a severely limited public reputation. Now, these metrics do not automatically prove any outright wrongdoing. They are simply algorithms analyzing data points. But when you stack a tiny 18% trust score next to a claim of 8,000 thrilled customers, the math simply does not add up. So, what is the actual verdict here? I have to categorize this one as high risk. You need to proceed with extreme caution. If you are absolutely dead set on getting this specific Galaxy aesthetic for your room, do yourself a huge favor first. Take 5 minutes to compare prices across other major retailers. You will almost certainly find the exact same generic projector for a fraction of the cost. And if you do decide to roll the dice and buy it anyway, protect your wallet. Pay with a secure method that guarantees buyer protection. Read the fine print on their refund policy before you hand over a single cent. Those marketing claims are designed to create a sense of urgency. Do not fall for it. Always rely on independent research and common sense instead of flashy advertisements.